this is how you download and install Topcon. This is also how you upgrade to a newer version of TDL. So first, I'm using my FC6400 controller, and this runs Windows 11. So, but this is basically the same for the FC6000 or FC5000 running Windows 10 or whatever. Basically, you want to go to an internet browser, and usually Google Chrome. So basically you want to go to the internet browser, and usually Google Chrome comes on these controllers. So I'm just going to open up Chrome. And I'm going to search for My Topcon Now in Google. And then just click on My Topcon Now. And you'll see the actual website URL is mytopconnow.topconpositioning.com, and that'll bring you to this page. And then you want to go ahead and log in. Okay, now you want to click on My Topcon Positioning. Click on Support Tools. And scroll down until you see Software. Click on Software. And click on Field Software. And click on Topcon Digital Layout. Click on Software and Firmware. And since we're using Windows, we want to... Okay, and here you could see the version that is available for download. So this is version 1.2.2, and you can click either Windows or Android. I'm going to click on Windows. Okay, and now we're just going to click on this red download button. You can see it's downloading up at the top of the screen. Alright, click on it. Okay, it's done now. So you can go to your downloads and find it, or since we're using Chrome, it's just right up here. Now double click on it. And this is a zip file, so we need to extract it. So just click Extract All. Click Extract. Alright, now we can run this application. So double click on it. And that will open up the Topcon Digital Layout installer. Click Next. Click Next. accept the license agreement. Click next. Install for anyone on this computer, that's fine. Click next. Change this to install just for me. Click next. Click install. Alright. Launch Topcon digital layout is checked, so when we click finish it'll launch it. Alright, I gotta close out that and that. There we go. Alright, now yours, if this is the first time you've downloaded it, this will be blank. It'll just say create a new project, and it'll say you're operating in demo mode. But since I've already installed this prior to filming this video, it automatically pulls up my old jobs and stuff. And so this is what it would be like if you were just updating to the next version. So let's say that I had version 1.2.1 and I just updated it to version 1.2.2. It would keep all of your jobs.